Ogu gubaire guri omurundi gw'okashatu Enyamaishwa ziri kwenda kwita abantu kandi esabiti ehwaire zikaheza kwita omukazi kandi ahiturikugambira abataka nibagira ngu zaherize embuzi z'abantu.
Nateka horodi byahabiti nateka hitshwete hati ndebe kintu kimusyampora hati kimusyampora kiti hati nanye nyina manti hati ndeba cyabundama kuchubundama torotori baro muhorongo kwatanti kuchiteri bare cyanyoreka ngo ntizaguruka futi ningwa abo kacaciri yo distance nkomukata muri hati nanye kwato muhoroniza kugira nti kigwa kiti omwomo nko kugenda kikakabuza kikatora hari hati ibindi byona bukargaha bukagenda
cyaje hati byo bya crossing hati ncende muntu kutora mpaka mukivukira kuri university hati bagiye kutere simu netugumire.
Enyamaishwa zibaire oburemezi omubyanga bitu kandi nizigambwa kuba ziri nyingi munonga kandi ziri omu myanya mingi. Kutubeire turi omu mwanya ogwo turi kutoza oburare bwazo bitu zikibuzire kufuna okumanyisibwa okuhariho endijo yaba nenda kwenengezayo omushaija omugomborora ya nsasi aho neitwe niko kutayo amaguru. Aho tufikire omu mwanya ogwo gwa nsasi tushangira abantu nyamwingi berondeine kandi baherize n'okutemaho enyamaishwa emwe omu kira.
Enyamaishwa kwaje neragwa ngani tokura mukira kuguri dero mbwenu nkomu gwabagwe guri nankani hari no reno gwiragura munonga gwine karibi konka kunu gwabagwe kahura kwenda kuba kahura bitu bagutaye kabore ko munanko kuchanchi oko miskino mwamuringwa gutire konka ya kakachi
Okurigirira hari mukuru w'abakurinda Enyamaishwa mpaka ya Queen Elizabeth kandi abashyikiro muri Ibanda kuhiga Enyamaishwa nagira ngo bizire kuzora amaisho okureba ngo nibakwate Enyamaishwa.
From the tail, we have confirmed that the animals which are here are of the dog family, which are jackals and foxes. That tail can be for a jackal or a fox. So I have just seen it and confirmed it will be one of the two which is here. And we are going to work together with the communities to ensure that we get these animals. And I'm also requesting that the communities, they should not be crowded because we need to use the gun if we need to destroy them because they are now more wild. So capturing them will be difficult. So we tend to destroy them, these animals. They are in dog family, which is if in the wild it can be a jackal or a fox.
Abataka beitu bahite ibiro bishatu omu bishaka bari kuhiga Enyamaishwa. Ab'ekitongore kya Uganda Wildlife Authority bezire kumara okwezi kuono mu district ya Ibanda kandi ecume beito n'abashabira abantu be Ibanda kukwatanisa nabo barebe ekinyamaishwa kyone kirije kubayamba kubimaramu.
But what I suggest, we need to jointly sensitize our communities to safeguard themselves from these wild dogs and wild jackals. And also when they see these animals, they should just call us, they should not make alarm, such that we are able to reach there and get them there. When they make alarm, these animals run away. And we also want to work together with the district veterinary officer such that when we either capture these animals, whether the jackal or the wild dogs which are running mad, we will be able to take some samples such that we determine what is the problem, whether it can be rabies or whatever. But we on the ground, we are going to bring more of our soldiers to join together with the police. We are very happy with the police, the DPC with this staff, and the RDC.
Afuturgira mu mwanya ogu abantu nyamwingi babenu bacyeyongera kwija kandi bakatandika kutemba orushozi kuronda Enyamaishwa owe bari kwimitsya ekishaka aha kindi. Esabiti ehwaire Kasande Gladys omukaikuru w'emyaka 6 y'obukuru aha kyaro kya Nyakabungo omu Riyonza Nsasi Ibanda district akaitwa Enyamaishwa ezitakamanyirwe bwanyuma yo kumugwa mu maraka zikamunyunyuta mu eshagama obyabiragire kusibuka ente omwirisizo. Amakuru agagasha kwa Timothy Mushabe aha bwa TV West agacenshire omuri Ibanda.